In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved sellers on eBay. If you've ever followed a seller because you like their inventory, pricing, or shipping reliability, it's helpful to know exactly where to find that saved list again. eBay keeps this option inside the My eBay menu, and once you know where it is, it only takes a few seconds to access. To get started, open eBay and make sure you're on the main site interface. Look toward the top area of the page for the My eBay option. Instead of clicking right away, place your cursor over My eBay and hover there for a moment. This is important because eBay uses a drop-down menu, and hovering will reveal additional account shortcuts and sections connected to your profile. When that menu appears, take a quick look through the available options. You'll typically see several links related to your buying activity, watch list, purchases, and saved content. The one you want here is Saved Sellers. Once you spot it, click on Saved Sellers to open that section. After you click, eBay will take you to the page where your saved sellers are listed. This is the area where you can review the sellers you've chosen to follow or save for later. It's a useful place to return to when you want to browse a favorite seller's items without having to search for their store name again. If you don't immediately see any sellers listed, that may simply mean you haven't saved any yet, or you may need to confirm that you're signed into the correct account. That's a good thing to double check anytime something seems missing on eBay, since saved activity is tied to your personal account. A helpful tip is to move your mouse carefully when opening the My eBay menu. On some screens, the drop-down can disappear if your cursor moves away too quickly, so just hover steadily and then select Saved Sellers once the menu is fully visible. If you're using a smaller screen, the layout may look slightly different, but the same basic path still applies through My eBay, and that's all there is to it. Hover over My eBay, click Save Sellers, and you'll be able to view the sellers you've saved on eBay quickly and easily.